Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle English, where I teach you how to improve your level of English. This is the next video in my Common English Errors series. Today we're going to talk about the difference between lose and loose. So let's get started. So these two words are very commonly confused in English because they almost have the same spelling. However, they sound different, they have different meanings and uses. So let's first talk about the pronunciation. L-O-S-E is pronounced lose, z with a Z sound, lose. And L-O-O-S-E is pronounced loose with an S sound, loose. So lose and loose. Now let's talk about when we use each of these words. So lose is a verb. To lose something means you no longer have something you used to have. If you lose something, you probably can't find it, or you just don't have it anymore. To lose also means to suffer defeat or fail to win a contest or a game or a race. Let's look at some sentence examples. Don't lose your phone at the concert tonight. Did Zach lose his car keys again? I hope you don't lose your job after your bad performance this year. She won't lose this race. In this case, the opposite of lose is win. So remember that lose is a verb. Now let's talk about loose. Loose is an adjective. If something is loose, it means it is not fastened tightly or fixed into position. If clothing is loose, it means the clothes are too large and they don't fit your body properly. If you are wearing loose jeans or loose pants, you might have to wear a belt to keep the pants from falling off. Let's look at some examples. The screws are loose and the dining room table wobbles. Make sure your seatbelt isn't loose before you start driving. So your seatbelt should be tight, not loose. The wedding dress was too loose on her. Another synonym for loose in this example is baggy. If a shirt or a dress is baggy, it's too loose. It's too big for you. Okay, so let's do a 10-question quiz on lose versus loose. You will have 5 seconds to answer each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. Number 1, did you? Wait, those jeans are very on you. The correct answer is, did you lose weight? Those jeans are very loose on you. Number 2, she's afraid to her job if she speaks her mind. The correct answer is lose. She's afraid to lose her job if she speaks her mind. Number 3, the dog's leash was, and it ran off into the woods. The correct answer is loose. The dog's leash was loose and it ran off into the woods. Number 4, I need to tighten the screw on this chair because it's too. The correct answer is loose. I need to tighten the screw on this chair because it's too loose. Number 5, tell him how you feel. What do you have to? The correct answer is lose. Tell him how you feel. What do you have to lose? You have nothing to lose. Number 6, if you want to a few pounds, you need to eat healthier foods. The correct answer is lose. If you want to lose a few pounds, you need to eat healthier foods. Another thing I quickly want to say is if you want to call someone a loser, the opposite of a winner, it's spelled lose with an R. Sometimes I see people spell looser, but that's incorrect. So that's how you would spell it. Number 7, you will your best friend if you keep treating her poorly. The correct answer is lose. You will lose your best friend if you keep treating her poorly. Number 8, wait a minute, my shoelaces are, I need to fix them. The correct answer is loose. My shoelaces are loose. I need to fix them. Number 9, she wore a purple dress to the beach. The correct answer is loose. She wore a loose purple dress to the beach. So in this example, loose is the opposite of tight, a loose flowing dress as opposed to a very tight dress. Okay? The last one, number 10. Don't faith yet. There is still a chance you will be accepted into the university. And the correct answer is lose. Don't lose faith yet. There is still a chance. Okay, so let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 10. And I encourage you to check out my full playlist on common English errors, which I will link you to in the description below this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Sparkle English for more English lessons. I'll see you in my next video.